Well, dirt track friends, we have the 2.0 of Mark White in the shop today. Front end on it has seen better days. Nissan Sentra SCDRA Spec V. He got in a little racing incident and T-boned another car. And the frame rails wadded up just a little bit on this passenger side. A couple different ways we could fix it, but we're basically going to cut it off. We could have it pulled on a frame machine, but the frame's not really hurt past right in here. So we're just going to come back to wherever it looks clean down on the bottom side, cut it off, cap it over, and run tube from there up. Alright, I got some light on it for you guys so you can actually see what's going on here. Like you can see where the belt should run here, and there's frame in the way, so that's definitely got to be removed. Not going to have the right performance with that frame right in the way. It's just not pretty under there, but we're going to straighten it out, no problem. Alright, so looking at this side, there's nothing structurally wrong with it. I mean, it's tweaked a little bit and bent up just a tiny bit. Not affecting any of the performance of the car or safety, or, you know, maybe a little strength, but not enough to worry about. But if I leave it, that leaves me tying the front bumper and that frame rail into this twisted up factory metal, which is not going to happen. So this side's going to get about the same treatment. Not going to cut it back as far as we did on the driver's side. Alright, so we got the battery box out of the car and put a little light on it. You can see she's kinked right here, which is not terrible, but I think we're going to try to take care of most of that. We're going to go back right along this battery box and cut it off. And then we'll have a good point to work forward from. Looks perfectly good on the outside of the frame. If you look down the front of it, you can see it's turned pretty good. Outside's obviously stronger than the inside. Thank you for watching this video on Mark White's 2.0, fixing his frame and building him a new front bumper. Hopefully it'll inspire you to fix your car when it gets tore up. Appreciate it, y'all. Take it easy.